love the Japanese people. Love to fight Japanese.
Even in his house, he's gonna fight Inoue in his house.
No problem.
No problem.
Give him the address. Give him the address and come by. No problem. Champ's a fighter. That's all I can say. He's ready to fight anywhere, anytime, against anybody. He's the WBO champ. So.
Hey, John. Bigyan Maravillo Fight News. First of all, congratulations on this win. Where does this rank? Is this perhaps the biggest win of your career since Rigondeaux was, two-division world champion?
Ba ni kinadakuan duwa nimo?
Oh, that's my big fight is the Solani Titi. That's I'm surprised because he's finished in 3 rounds, but that's a very tough in the bantamweight division. That's a great boxer, And next, maybe Donaire or Inoue.
So what he's saying is Solani Tete feels was his best win.
Yeah.
This was the worst fight he's ever been in his life.
That's a good boxer. That's the best of the bantamweight division. So it's up.
You have anything to say to Nonito?
Yeah, easy work.
Yeah. Easy work. Great that. Don't ever see that. Easy work. Our friend.
So could you tell me again how you're confident to beat Inoue?
Gaano ka confident ka magpildi mo si Inoue ba?
So I'm so confident because now I know they have a power, but me too. I'm so very power, but I like passing, no run. I like that. But if Naoya and me fighting, that's very good fight. Perfect style, and if who you beat, that's good.
Well, entering the fight, Jean-Riel Casimiro had a knockout percentage of over 66%, so obviously he has dynamite in both hands. More questions from the media?
Jean-Riel, anong message mo muna sa ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas na nanonood, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao?
Ayun, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat sa ating mga Pilipinas dito sa Carson, California, sa maraming Pilipino na sumusuporta, at lalo na sa Pilipinas at lalo na sa sa aming lugar, sa Ormoc City at Merida, Cabaliwan, Ormoc City. So nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta at sa naniwala sa akin. Nagpapasalamat po ako at lalo na sa mayor sa amin, sa Mayor Ormoc City, Mayor Richard Gomez, at sa lahat ng sumusuporta at sa lahat ng naniwala. Maraming po salamat.
Huling katanungan na.
Can we translate the question and the answer?
He says that to all the people who supported him in the Philippines, especially in his province, the mayor over there, Ormoc City, he thanks everyone for all the support.
Ito all Filipino.
To all the Filipinos who supported him.
Gigil na gigil ka na makalaban si Inoue at buong Pilipinas gusto nilang labanan mo si Inoue. Pwede mo bang hamonin muli si Inoue sa taon na to?
Yeah.
Can you translate the question first?
I know you're so eager to fight Inoue right now. Can you challenge him again right now?
Yeah, I always call Naoya Inoue, but Naoya Inoue scared me like Donaire. But I'm with. If he signed the contract, let's do it. I fight him. But Naoya Inoue and Donaire all scared. I don't know what happened.
Down in front.
Lester from Univision Televisa. Congratulations tonight. You had a phenomenal training camp. How frustrating was it tonight knowing that you couldn't show all this preparation? Tell me from your words, how frustrating was the fact that you couldn't?